Pergola surface mold or mildew is such a pain, but getting rid of it doesn't have to feel like a total nightmare. Okay, so first off, you gotta grab a good mold remover. That's your best friend here. Spray it on the moldy spots and let it chill for about 10 to 15 minutes so it really works its magic. Then, scrub the area with a stiff brush to get all that nasty stuff off. Don't skip rinsing it down with water afterward. You want all the chemicals and grime washed away. If you want to keep mold from coming back, make sure your pergola has good airflow, like trim any plants too close and maybe add some fans or vents if you can. Also, try not to let wet leaves or debris sit around. They're like a mold buffet. Regularly cleaning your pergola every few months is clutch to keep things fresh. And hey, if the wood starts looking too rough, a fresh coat of sealant can help protect it from moisture. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola mold removal is using bleach or harsh chemicals that can actually damage the wood or paint. Stick with products made for outdoor wood surfaces instead. Another common problem is ignoring ventilation. If the air doesn't move, mold will just keep popping up. So always check airflow and trim back any overgrown plants. Third, people often forget to do regular maintenance after cleaning, which means mold sneaks back in fast. Make cleaning part of your routine to stay ahead of it. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about outdoor projects like pergolas. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to find new work and build their reputation in the community.